Sweeping the path, feeling the rhythm of the day. A clean home makes a happy heart. I feel their presence so strongly today. Time to prepare the meal. It's coming together nicely. Just a little more stirring. Ah, that smells wonderful. All right, everyone, the food is ready.
Thank you.
And for you.
Bless you, child.
Come, children, have some more.
Thank you, Auntie.
You are so kind. Is it good?
Yes.
Eat slowly, there's plenty.
Thank you, Auntie.